Yes, hello and welcome to day 37 of the Inteco MPI 7-tonne electric arc furnace. You can see in the background we're starting to now install some of the smaller scale parts of the furnace. So the energy chain you can see in the background has been installed, which has got the natural gas, 2 oxygen lines and the carbon line for the jet box. We're on the point of installing the electrical panels that you can also see there. We do actually have power to the furnace now, and the electricians are going through the various circuits to make sure that they are operational. Final alignments on the electrodes have been started this week. So yes, it's been a positive week again. We are coming to the end of the mechanical install now, so I'd like to take the opportunity to thank GM Engineering, who supported Inteco and MPI with the mechanical aspect. They leave site this Saturday, and then we will just be left with Inteco and MPI staff on site.
To give a little bit of a forecast for next week is like we are starting to getting the furnace commissioned. Like we are starting with some electrical circuit test, and then we get the flushing done on the hydraulic system. We also should have available the water. So the water lines are getting tested hopefully still in this week, and then have the water also ready, the cooling water for the furnace then by next week. So all this will be then coming together as a whole picture then by next week during the commissioning stage.